Welcome to our first edition of Innovate, the AutoStar Monthly News, your inside look at the latest developments affecting the AutoStar users and the Buy Here, Pay Here community. I'm Jenny Lombardi, Project Manager of AutoStar Professional Services, and here are your headlines for January 2014. Buckle up and get ready because once again it's time for year-end closing in AutoStar and AccountMate. Here is AutoStar Client Support Specialist David Finan with everything you need to know to close out the year hassle-free.
Year-end can be one of the most stressful times for accountants in the dealership, and with good reason. There are a lot of steps in the process, and it can be intimidating even for the most experienced professionals. But don't worry, the team here at AutoStar has you covered. We've put together a comprehensive PDF document for you, which includes step-by-step instructions on year-end closing procedures in AutoStar and in AccountMate. The download also includes a detailed flowchart to help further clarify the process, as well as other useful resources. You can download this PDF by clicking the link in the description of this video or clicking on the link on the screen. We also have a previously recorded webinar explaining the process, which can be viewed in our support library at autostarsolutions.com under our Support and Education tab. As always, if you have any questions or need additional assistance, please call our client support team at 1-800-682-2215 or open a support ticket by sending an email to support@autostarsolutions.com. Once again, links for each of these resources are in the description, and good luck.
No other software provider offers more support and training options than AutoStar. Just recently, we hosted several hands-on training sessions for our newly deployed next-generation reporting solution, Insight, right here at AutoStar headquarters in Fort Worth, Texas. Those that attended were treated to 2 full days of practical training in the new reporting system, learning how to utilize key features like the built-in scheduling functionality. If you missed out on the December training sessions, we are hosting additional sessions on January 7th through the 8th, January 21st through 22nd, February 4th through the 5th, and on February 18th through the 19th. Space is limited, so register now. For a full schedule of these sessions, please visit autostarsolutions.com and click on the free training sessions link under our Support and Education tab. The dates and registration information are also linked in the description of this video. For those of you that are unable to take advantage of this opportunity, don't worry. You can still learn more about the Insight reporting system at Innovate, the AutoStar University YouTube page. This new video library showcases basic functionality, step-by-step tutorials, and informative guides for Insight and many other AutoStar functions, including inventory, receivables, collections, and more. Please click on the link in the description of this video and take some time to explore the wealth of knowledge that is now at your fingertips. Can't get enough Innovate? Check your mailbox for the very first edition of Innovate, the AutoStar Quarterly Newsletter. Formerly known as Aqua, the Innovate Quarterly Newsletter includes the latest information regarding recent software updates, AutoStar best practices, and timely industry information, as well as other valuable information resources. In this debut issue, we discuss new upgrades to the current AutoStar Fusion system, year-end accounting, the approaching tax season, and our upcoming cloud-based solution, F2. If you haven't already subscribed to the quarterly newsletter, please call us at 1-800-682-2215 and sign up now. Last but not least, we are proud to officially announce the upcoming Innovate 2014 User and Industry Conference, which will take place on September 21st through the 24th at the Gaylord Texan Resort and Convention Center in Grapevine, Texas. Registration information is available in the previously mentioned Innovate Quarterly Newsletter and online at innovate.autostarsolutions.com. And that's a wrap. See you next month. Until then, I'm Jenny Lombardi. Thanks for watching AutoStar Monthly News.